Happy new month and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you and introducing you to a platform on which you can earn 15,000 naira every single day. That is, if you are able to apply everything I'm going to be showing you right in this video. Okay, and also this is a giveaway video whereby 3 lucky subscribers will be going home with 1,000 each. Now this 1,000 is what I'll be using to fund your account in the Meta Egg if you have not actually registered on the Meta Egg platform. So this particular video can give you opportunity of me supporting you with 1,000 naira just to get a chicken. Now all you have to do is to note the amount of time the subscribe button appeared right on the screen. Now I'm going to be explaining the purpose of this video, which is today's platform. Now this particular platform allows you earn 1,500 naira when you invite individuals to this platform. Now I'm going to be showing you how you need to leverage this platform and also how you need to get some extra income every single day. All you have to do in return is to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification, so whenever I post amazing content like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification right on your device. So without no further ado, let me take you over to my screen and show you the step-by-step on how this works. Remember, this is a giveaway video. So guys, to start off with this platform, once you go ahead clicking the first link on the pinned comment section, you're going to be brought into this interface. Now you can actually select your language. We have English, we have Nigerian Pidgin, we have Hausa right here. So anyone you actually want to select, just go ahead to select that and click on confirm. Now once you come right on your account, the next thing you want to do right now is to set up an account for yourself. Okay, so right now you just have to come down to where it says register. Okay, now it says welcome to Oya Share. Now create an account to start earning. You can go ahead creating an account with an email address or a mobile number. Come right here and input your registered email address, put in your password, then confirm your password. Now you're going to be leaving this invitation code. I'm also going to be leaving this on the pinned comment section for you to be able to get your welcome bonus. Now come down right here and click that you are human, then come down and click on sign up, then automatically your account will be created right on this platform. So right here you can actually see the first invite says once you are able to invite an individual per friend, you are getting 1,500 naira instantly on your account. You can see how amazing this platform is. Right now you can actually see when you go ahead using their referral method to refer friends, you're going to be getting a lot of earnings right on your account. Now once you sign into this platform, the first thing you need to do is to come over here where it says new user reward 330 naira. Come right here and click on get. So you are going to be getting your 330 naira instantly into your account. And so when you go ahead looking at my account balance right now, you can actually see I have over 330 naira. Okay, now right now you can actually see a welcome notice that says new activities bumped up. Invite one friend and get 1,500 naira reward. Now you can also link your WhatsApp to this platform, which is optional, and you're going to be getting 200 naira every single day. So right now these are the tags on this platform. You can actually see that when you invite individuals to this platform, you'll be given 1,500 naira. Now under invitation, new user activities, once you go ahead clicking on start, you're going to be seeing the full details of what you should know when you invite individuals to this platform. Subordinate members need to link to WhatsApp after registration. You will get invitation commission according to their WhatsApp online time. Now just go ahead to click on invite and you're going to copy your affiliate link and share with your friends. Now the details of your friends and their earnings will be showing right on this particular interface. When you come right to the second one that says WhatsApp idle activity, just click on start and it's going to direct you over to where you can actually watch how to link your WhatsApp. So every single day you'll be getting 200 naira on your account. Now if you actually want to go ahead to link your WhatsApp, all you have to do is to come down to where it says link your phone number. Okay, so right now this is where you actually need to bind your WhatsApp number to this platform. You can actually see where it says bind account, enter your WhatsApp number. So what you are going to do right now is to enter your WhatsApp phone number right here, and a code will be generated for you once you click on get key, and automatically a code will be generated for you, and you just have to use this code to link your WhatsApp to this platform. So I'll be doing that right now so you can get how this is done. Before we go ahead linking this particular WhatsApp to this platform, you can actually see the instructions that say log in to WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, tap setting on iPhone or menu or Android. Then tap link device, then link a device, point your phone at the screen and scan the QR code. Switch to phone number associated, enter verification code of 888. While the conversation is loading, keep both apps open and connected to the network so you can be connected to this platform. And so once you have inserted your mobile number, removing the first zero, all you have to do is to click on get key. Now a code will be generated right on this particular interface. All you have to do is to go over to your account, your WhatsApp account, and this will actually give you access to earn 200 naira every single day. So what you just need to do is to go over to your WhatsApp and link your device down to this platform so it can be connected successfully. So what we just need to do is to confirm this device right here. Just go ahead to enter the 888 and we are just going to confirm our linking to this platform, and we are going to be earning 200 naira just because we linked our WhatsApp down to this platform. Now every 24 hours you're going to be getting 200 naira because you actually link your WhatsApp to this platform. So we just have to give this some little time for it to load. And so right here guys, you can actually see that our WhatsApp is linked to this platform. As you can see, you can link other devices to this account. Now our WhatsApp has been successfully linked to this platform. As you can see, binding successfully, so it's actually loading. Now you can actually see that account with 1 and online with 1. Now this is to show you that your account has been successfully linked to this platform. Now when you go back to your account, you can actually see that you actually have the 330 naira on your account, and your WhatsApp has been linked successfully to this platform. When you come over to leaderboard, you can actually see the amount of money people are earning every single day using this platform. You can see the amount of money they are able to earn while using this platform. Now if you want to confirm if your account has been linked or your WhatsApp has been linked successfully to this platform, just come down to account list and you're going to be seeing that your WhatsApp number is showing online, and you can actually see the minutes you have actually stayed online on this platform. Now account with just 1 and the online shows 1, showing that your WhatsApp number is actually active and it is just one device. Now you can actually link multiple device, multiple WhatsApp contacts to this platform to maximize your earnings. Now I actually promised to show you how to maximize your earnings right on this platform. Now if you actually want to make more earnings on your account, all you have to do is to come down to the referral based system and invite individuals to this platform. Now all you just have to do is to come down to invite friends, and you can see that for every individuals you invite to this platform, you will be given 1,500 naira. Now you can actually see that when you go ahead times in 1,500 naira times 10, you are actually making 15,000 naira for yourself just a single day. That is how you can actually make 15,000 naira right on this platform. Let me show you what I actually mean. When you come right to your calculator right now, you can actually see that when you say 1,500 naira times 10 people you invite to this platform, you are actually making 15,000 naira for yourself on this platform. So this is actually a new update that has not been shared around. Now what I will advise you to do is to jump into this right now, set up an account for yourself, link your WhatsApp, and start earning massively using this platform. So this is all you have to do to earn 15,000 naira or more right on this platform. Now I actually showed you how to register an account and how to leverage more on this platform. All you have to do is to use the link on the pinned comment section, set up an account for yourself, and start using this platform right now. Now thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It's advisable to join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. If you actually have any questions regarding this, feel free to drop them on the comment section below. See you on my next video and keep winning.